So one more example here. We're going to approximate the value of 2.0111 to the fourth using a tangent line approximation. So what I usually like to do here is just say, pretend you didn't have a calculator and you wanted to figure out what the value of 2.011 to the fourth was, and you didn't have to get exact, but you wanted to get very close. You could by hand multiply 2.011 times 2.011, get the answer, and then keep going another couple of times. Or an approximation of the tangent line. So the easy way to do this without a calculator is just take the function. This is a raising to the fourth function, so x to the fourth, and draw a tangent line close to what we're raising to the fourth. Let's use 2 because 2 is an easy number to work with. So we're going to find the equation of the tangent line at y equals x to the fourth at x equals 2. So we know that when you plug in 2, y equals 2 to the fourth, which is 16, and f prime of 2, y prime is 4x cubed, and that means y prime at 2 is 4 times 2 cubed, which is 4 times 8, which is 32. It's easy to come up with the equation of the tangent line, y minus f of c equals f prime of 2 times x minus 2. So now we have the equation of the tangent line to the graph of x to the fourth at c equals 2. This is close to 2.011. So theoretically, if we plug in 2.011 to our tangent line, we'll get something that's very close to this actual value without having to multiply it by itself 4 times. And the math is a lot easier with the tangent line. So we have to figure out what the value of the tangent line is when we plug in 2.011 to x. So y minus 16 equals 32 times, plug it in, 2.011 minus 2. The math here is a lot easier than if we tried to multiply it by itself 4 times. This is 0.011. This still isn't that easy, but it's not that hard either. 32 times 11. 23. Here's the old way of doing it. Do they still teach you this? 352. 3 decimal places in the 0.011. So that's 0.352. We have y minus 16 equals 0.352. So y equals 16.352. So that means I can say with pretty much confidence that 2.011 to the fourth is not exactly, but very close to 16.352. And we're going to check that on the calculator. So I'm going to type in 2.001 to the fourth and I got 16.032. Oops, minus 1. I was really nervous there because it wasn't that close, but you might have seen this. Too bad you're not here to yell at me before I screw it up. It's 2.011. That makes me feel a lot better. The answer is, the actual answer is 16.3549, which is very, very close to the answer we got right here. So that the process is pretty simple. Try to understand the whole concept behind it, because that's what it's all about. And that's it. That's chapter 3. That's all we're going. I'm going to give you some example problems to do, and then we'll wrap it up and start integration shortly. Thanks for watching.